Hi everyone, good afternoon. Kirsten Neese here with Cornerstone Homes. I'm with Cecelia Peay of the Closet Factory. Today we are in the Washington 2 model out at Chickahominy Falls. We're in the owner's bedroom because the Closet Factory has some really special places for us here in our model that we want to share with you and talk about our partnership with the Closet Factory and Cecelia, and especially because you are our personal consultant for all of our buyers. So Cecelia, welcome. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for having me.
So tell us a little bit about you and how long you've been with Closet Factory, and then a little bit about our relationship with Cornerstone Homes.
I've been with Closet Factory now for almost 7 years. I actually remember when Brian and Teresa first started talking about buying the Closet Factory because our husbands played softball together.
Oh, fun.
So we've known them for a long time, and I've always wanted to do this. And once my kids grew up and moved out, it was finally an opportunity. I met people from Cornerstone at Home-A-Rama a few years ago. They came in looking for Closet Factory and wanted to be able to offer our product in homes during construction. So,
and it's been a fantastic relationship. I know, as a production builder, it's hard for us to customize, but you guys really offer that for us and allow our residents to customize some special places and not just your bedroom, owner's bath or owner's closet. There's a lot of things you can do, which we'll talk about today. But let's go ahead and walk into the owner's closet, and we might have to change places here, but and tell us a little bit about the space that we have created in here and kind of what this looks like, and how people can purchase this for everybody, for themselves.
Well, with Closet Factory, we build floor-based, so the weight's evenly distributed on the floor. Gives you full adjustability within the sections, and we're completely custom, so we can work wall to wall. We have a pre-designed master closet for each of the floor plans that Cornerstone offers, and it makes it really easy for you to choose during selections. If you want to just have it done, you can choose our standard layout. You can customize it a little bit by adding drawers. You can do a stack of 5 drawers, or you can do 2 drawers with a tilt-out hamper. We have another option for a hamper that has 2 bags, so you can either sort, dry cleaning and laundry, or lights and darks. We also have an option in there for a double jewelry drawer. You can choose shaker drawers, or you can just do flat drawers.
And they're all white in our standard.
All in our standard white. And of course, everything is adjustable. Once you're in, some people may still be working when they choose to do this, but then once you retire, your needs may change. So everything is adjustable. It's really easy just to take the rods out if you need to add more shelves, or if you need more long hang, more short hang, things like that. Everything is very adjustable.
Right. So as people retire, or they might not be fully retired when they move in, and as they retire, they might be getting rid of all the suits and the dresses and the work clothes and changing their wardrobe to something else and need to change their closets. So it's great that it changes with them.
Mm-hmm. And of course, the older you get, the harder it is to crawl around on the floor to find your shoes that match. So behind Caroline, we have shoe shelves. Again, they are adjustable, so you have tall boots, things like that. The shelves adjust easily. If you want something a little more custom, you can schedule a design consultation with me, and we can meet over in our showroom. We can look through different design, different colors, things like that.
So while I'm so glad you said that, because let's slip over into our snore room, where we've designed an office in our model home here, and we did do custom Closet Factory here, and this I just love. I love the fact that we were able to give you a color and say we want it in this color. Our design team that helped us decorate this model had given us this beautiful color time, and it just turned out so fabulous. You guys did a great job putting in some bookshelves for us and really making this home office look really functional and aesthetically pleasing. So tell us a little bit about your custom program.
So when you get into custom designs, again, like I mentioned, we meet over at our showroom, which is really only 5 minutes away. Go through like what your needs are in your office. Some people want a place to hide their printer behind doors. You need file drawers, things like that. Some open shelving for book or decorative items. We can put doors to hide some of those papers and everything, so everything can look nice and neat in your office. And then, of course, we have our color options. We start with white. We have some wood grains. We can do stained wood options or specialty painted items.
So any color you want, you can do, but you have some stock colors and stains as well, which is fantastic. And as we were chatting, so tell us a little bit about some of the projects that you've done for some of our Cornerstone homes. I think one that you mentioned as we were getting ready for this was the closet office, which is fantastic. So
I had one of our clients here in Chickahominy Falls wanted an office space but didn't want to take up the whole bedroom, so they took the doors off of their reach-in closet, and we did a couple of file drawers and just a pull-out shelf that they put their laptop on, and when they were done they could just close the laptop and close the shelf. We also created a place for their printer and everything else in there. I have done custom built-ins in the great room. I've done quite a few pantries.
Which is another area that we have a standard plan for all of our pantries. But then there's probably lots of customization with that.
Yes.
And you've done owner's entries.
Owner's entry, and the laundry room has been a very popular item just because, with the laundry room, I do 16-inch deep cabinets above the washer and dryer, so it brings everything out closer to you. It's easier for you to reach, especially the older you get.
And those big heavy jugs of cleaning product, and then also in the garages. Now in Cornerstone Homes communities, our residents have low maintenance living, so they don't need rakes and shovels and all of that, but certainly many of our residents still have a green thumb and love their potted plants or their specialty plantings around their home. And then have other hobbies, and lots of them are bikers and have bikes and all kinds of other things that they need to store in their garages. So tell us a little bit about the garage.
So we can do adjustable shelving. We can put doors so everything looks nice behind doors. I do see that a lot of people have their garage doors open in here, but for Christmas decorations or for campers or bicyclists, we do slat wall. You can hang your bikes. Golf clubs, things like that are great on slat wall.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
But it's also nice having we can do 24-inch deep adjustable shelves and then put a door on it so everything is hidden nicely behind doors.
Right, and fits in perfect storage opportunities, which is all just completely specialized for your specific needs, which is great. Like, it's all just completely custom, what you guys do, and allows the home buyer to really select what they need. And here in this home, we also did, which we're not going to walk down to, we did a dry bar, which was a really fun thing. So in our rec room in the basement here, we wanted to kind of showcase an area where if you wanted to have refreshments downstairs instead of coming up, you could have a place for all of that, and we did that here. But it's just it's endless, right? Lots of options.
We have a new model going in up at Barley Woods that I'm really excited about. We did mirror doors in the closet.
Oh,
so
right.
It's a great way to incorporate a mirror in your closet, but then also hide some of your folded clothes, or if you have nice sweaters and stuff, to keep the dust off.
Oh, great idea. Yep. I had forgotten we did that. That's going to look fantastic. And that model will be ready in late September. So we're excited about that. And we have working on a couple more models out here at Chickahominy Falls that'll be ready late this year. So we're really excited to share that. And we've been collaborating with Cecelia on some options for those rooms. So we hope that you guys have found today really valuable. I always love talking with Cecelia, and I certainly love your showroom right here at the Closet Factory, which is really conveniently located off of 95 for all of our communities. But you guys just offer such a great versatile product, and you're such great partners to work with. So it's always great.
It's really good to have it done during construction. That's the other thing that I wanted to mention, because that way when you close on your house, you're ready to move in. You're not having to wait for somebody to come in after the fact. to get your closet system in. So having it done during construction just makes it ready for you.
Well, and then you can put the cost of the shelving and everything into the cost of your home, and pay for it through your mortgage if you have that, or just when you close on your home, so that it's not an added expense that you're having to think about after closing. So it is nice that we have that opportunity. It's been really great having you here with us today, Cecelia. Thank you.
Thank you, Kirsten.
And thank you everybody for listening. I guess I should ask, since we are live, do we have anybody on? No? Okay. No questions today. But if you do have questions, feel free to drop us a line or comment on the video. And we'll look forward to seeing you guys next week. Thanks.
Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you.